I'm gonna post a video of my mom dancing. She's 89, but she can put the flow on fire. Must put it for one of my screencasting. I must put that. I cannot dance, but she's good in all the dances. She's good in singing also. In her young days, she used to sing for a band. She still has a good voice till now. The other day they had some, just in the colony, where they stay, so they just had a get together for the seniors, and so they had a singing competition, so she took part in it. She sang the Titanic, and suddenly towards the end of the song she was crying. She was crying and then she continued after some time. They were telling her, it's okay, it's alright, you can sit down, don't worry. But then she continued. Something gone wrong with my screen, on my laptop. Yeah, really good for her, really. My dad is 82 now. Thank God my mom keeps pretty good health. Still active, dancing and all that, so it's good, Oh, Ramblin' Rose, Ramblin' Rose, Ramblin'. He is sick. I insisted. I visited him yesterday. Yeah, you told me. I hope he gets well soon. I hope he's taking medication. Pneumonia, oh. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, weather also has been so erratic, right? Heat, rains, typhoon, storms, God knows Philippines has been having real different weather. It has cooled down now a little bit. So that is one blessing.